Hello everyone, we will discuss second numerical in this topic. Okay, so this is the next numerical. Clear. So once go through this numerical. So this is a numerical in the design of tension member. So if you go through this numerical, compute the tensile strength of an angle section ISA. So we know that angle section is represented with ISA. So that we discussed in the diagram itself. So this is how the angle. Okay, this is how the in steel table about the angle it is mentioned. Okay, so in steel table this is how the about angle it is mentioned. So ISA Indian Standard Angle 150 into 115 into 8 mm of Fe 410 grade of steel. So if we look at to the angle, so angle having the two legs. So whose width is 150, one leg width is 150 and another leg width is 115 and the thickness is 8 mm. And the steel is of grade of Fe410. We know that if it is not given, then we are going to assume the same thing. Clear? Next, connected with a gusset plate as shown in the figure. So this is the figure. So now if you see the figure, here this angle is connected to the gusset plate by using weld. So far we have discussed the concepts and of course we have solved one numerical. So whatever the concepts we have discussed, so in all those concepts we have discussed about the bolted connections. Clear or not? So now if weld is there, how to do? Let us see in this example. Clear? See, if bolt is there, then we have to, in calculation of net area, we have to deduct the bolt hole area. Agree? But in weld, there is no such case. Clear? In weld, the net area and gross area one and the same. Clear? But we have to calculate in both the conditions. So now he is asking us in this question to calculate the design tensile strength based on gross section yielding and net section rupture. So based on these two we have to calculate. Clear? And one more thing, if you observe, for the calculation of strength here we require area. Yes or no? For the calculation of strength here we require area. So no, but here area is not given. But if we take steel table, so each and every detail of a particular rolled steel section is given in that steel table. But here in this question that is not given. So in that case, if at all area is not given, then we have to calculate. How to calculate? See, actually, rolled steel sections will have rounded edges. So that is why the usual calculations, by using usual calculations, that is like width into thickness, we are not going to get area. Agree or not? So if we take an angle is nothing but L section. Yes or no? But that the edges of that angular L section are rounded. Agree? So that the direct computation will not give the exact area. But in this question, as the area is not given, so follow the regular kind procedure. Okay, regular procedure of calculation of area. So I'm first taking this angle. First I will calculate area and later I will calculate the design tensile strength based on these two criteria. Okay. So first take that angle. So solution. So first take that angle. So this is the angle. So now if you observe, this angle will have two legs. One leg width is, so this is given and thickness is 8 mm, it is given. So now how to calculate? Of course we have discussed. So this is the thickness T and T. Agree? So now if we simply multiply 150 into 80, so this area we are going to get, and 115 into 8 total this area. So there exists a overlap of this portion. So to avoid that, so allot this half portion to this leg and this half portion to this leg. So now how to calculate the area? AC. It means area of connected leg. What is the area of connected leg? 150. So area of connected AC. So it is 150 minus T by 2. So T here is 8 mm. So minus T by 2 is nothing but 4. So 4 into 8. So this is AC. And coming to A naught, outstand. So outstand is 115 minus 4 into 8. So come and calculate it how much? So as I said, use calci. So for the quicker calculations. So it is 1168. So area of connected leg is 1168 mm square and area of this one 114 into 8, it is 888. 888 mm square. Now total area, what is AG total area? So I am going to write total area is summation of AC plus A naught. So which is 1168 plus 888. So which is 2056 mm square. So this is how to calculate the area first for the given angle. Now, first let us calculate the design tensile strength based on cross sectional yielding, and we calculate based on net section rupture. Okay. First, design tensile strength. Design tensile strength based on cross section yielding. Okay, cross section yielding. Design tensile strength based on cross section yielding. So what is the formula for it? So we know that design tensile strength TDG cross section yielding is nothing but, so it is yielding. So we have to use Fy, yield stress, and factor of safety is 1.1 into Ag. Simple. So Ag is 2056 into Fy, it is given. So if it is not given, so as it is a Fe410 means it is a mild steel. Okay, Fe410 grade steel. So for that Fy is 250. So if it is not given, we have to assume it by 1.1. So if you see the units of area is mm square, and here it is Newton per mm square. So mm square will get cancelled. We are left with Newton. So come on, simplify it and tell me the answer. So how much it is? 2056 into 250 divided by 1.1. So it is around 467.27 kilonewton. So we are going to get in Newton, so convert it into kilonewton. Okay, 467.27 kilonewton. Clear? Now next let us calculate the design tensile strength based on net section rupture. Okay. Okay, design tensile strength based on net section rupture. So what is the formula for an angle to calculate design tensile strength in net section rupture? So what is the formula? Come on, tell me, what is the formula? Think or recollect. So TDN is equal to, so here ANC means net of connected leg is same. The reason there is no holes here. So we have connected that angle to the gusset plate by using weld. So no need of reduction of area. Okay, for the connected leg. But the same formula. Okay, same formula is valid. 0.9 Fu by 1.25 plus beta into A G naught Fy by 1. This is the formula. So now here ANC and AG naught are same, 1168 and 888 respectively. So here only unknown thing is, so Fu we know that how much it is 410 and Fy 250. The only unknown is beta. So we have to calculate beta here. So how to calculate beta? So tell me the formula of beta. So beta formula here is, so here I am writing beta is equal to 1.4 minus 0.076 W by T Fy by Fu Bs by Lc. So this is a beta formula. Agree or not? Now what is W? What is W? So W is nothing but width of the outstand. Agree or not? So in this case, what is the width of the outstand? So in this case, the width of the outstand is 115. Okay, that is given. So now this is W. W here is, so here I am writing W is 115 mm. Clear? And T is the thickness of the angle. How much? It is also given. T is equal to 8 mm. Next, Fy and Fu we know. So Fy is 250, and so here I am writing Fy is 250 MPa and Fu is 410 MPa. Agree? Now Bs. Child there. So Fy is 250. MPa and Fu is 410 MPa, means Newton per mm square. So this is Fy and Fu. and this is W, width of the outstand W, which is 115. And the thickness is 8 mm. Now coming to BS. So BS is again, here BS is nothing but length of the outstand or width of the outstand. So BS is equal to the same 115 mm. And LC is the length of the connection in the direction of the load. So here it is a tension load. So here this is the direction of the load. So in the direction of load, what is the length? LC. So LC is 140 mm. So everything is known in that formula. So substitute and calculate the value. So 1.4 minus 0.076. W is how much? 115 by 8. And Fy is 250. And Fu is 410. And Bs 115. And LC is 140. Someone use calcium and find out this value. 1.4 minus 0.076 into 115 into 250 into 115 divided by 8 into 410 into 140. So it is 0.85. So the value comes out to be 0.85, the beta value. So value of beta is 0.85. So now substitute the same thing here in this formula TDM. So substitute in the TDM. So A and C here is the same AC. So how much it is? 1168. 1168 into 0.9 into 410 by 1.25 plus 0.85. Okay, AG not the same. How much? 888 into 888 into 250 by 1.1. How much it is? Calculate again. Calculate fast. So it is 1168 into 0.9 into 410 divided by 1.25 plus that beta 0.85 into 888 into 250 by 1.1. So it is 516.34 kilonewton. So 516.34 kilonewton. So these are the two values. So this is the design tensile strength based on cross section yielding, and this is the design strength based on net section rupture. Now out of these two, which is the design tensile strength of that angle? Come on, tell me, which is the design tensile strength of the angle? So out of these two, whichever is known, that is considered as a design tensile strength. Yes or no? And that too, as we discussed in previous sessions, that block shear failure is not a regular kind of failure. Okay, block shear failure will occur only if we use high strength materials like high strength bolts, okay, and high strength mild steel. Sorry, high strength steel, not mild steel. Sorry, high strength steel. So if we use high strength material, then only block shear failure can be observed. Or we cannot observe block shear failure. So usually go with these two. So now which is the strength? This is the strength. So design tensile strength of that angle is 467.27 kilonewton. So take down.